Alright guys, the second day, Monday in the morning, about 10:30. This is how it looks so far. The 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 wing from scratch. I'm gonna put some ingots right here and the other one here. And I'm gonna cut a little piece of paper. Okay, not go like this. Goes like this. I'm gonna remove a piece of paper right here. I was thinking if I put a fuselage or down. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. See you next time. Just remember, hit the like button and share and subscribe for more videos. At the end of the videos, all these videos, I'm gonna give you the measurements and the planes.